Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have another batch of fantastic wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and I'm talking about gorgeous wallpapers just like the one in the background. So let's dive in and download them as soon as possible. So to download these wallpapers, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you're going to be at my website. On the website, you're going to scroll down a little bit, and the wallpapers are going to be listed right here, number 1, number 2, so on and so forth. So to download the first one, all you want to do is you want to click on the link. It's going to take you to the store, and then from there you can download the wallpaper. And let's apply and see exactly what this one looks like on the screen. So I'm going to tap on apply, I'm going to tap on done, and then, as you can see, looks absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic wallpaper, as you can see. So that's number 1. That's the circuit wallpaper. Now I do want to make sure that you guys are using the internet app, which is this one. If you use the Chrome app, and if you click the link, it's going to take you to this site here, which doesn't make any sense. So make sure you use the internet browser to get these wallpapers. And here's what you can do to make sure that happens. Go to the settings. Go down into apps, go to default apps, and make sure the browser app is Samsung Internet, otherwise it is not going to work. Alright, so let's go back to number 2. So number 2 is the network. That's the one you saw in the very beginning. I'm not going to show it to you again, but this is what it looks like. You can see that's also beautiful. Let's go back to the website right over here, and that's going to be number 3. That's the Robot Live. Tap on the link, go to the store, tap and apply. Alright, let's see what this one looks like. This is actually very interesting. I think I've shared this before, maybe a year ago or something. But look at that, it's a robot and looks pretty cool, as you can see. Okay, press and hold to just keep it playing. Alright, so that's number 3. Number 4 is the Fire and Flame. Tap on this, then tap on apply, download and apply, tap on done, and on the lock screen, this one looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, gorgeous wallpaper. Alright, it almost has like an anime type look to it. Now let's go back and get wallpaper number 5. That's the Electric Wolf. Click the link. Alright, I'm going to tap on apply, tap on done. Alright, let's see what this one looks like in the lock screen. Absolutely beautiful. It says an electric wolf. Kind of looks like a leopard or something, a cheetah maybe. But it is actually a wolf. Alrighty, so that's number 5. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.